Hi guys, it's Dawn from Let's Make a Mess Today. How are you doing? Well, today I have a kit that I wanted to share with you, and it's going to be coming in a medium flat rate box. It's really heavy, and it has to go in this box because it's packed. So let's just get started. This is a Hello Kitty junk journal kit. So if you are into Hello Kitty, you are going to like this kit. I have been collecting this stuff for Hello Kitty probably for about 2 years, but there's over a yard length in this, not width. It's probably about a little over half of a yard in width. This is about a half a yard, so there's, I don't know, 2/3 maybe, and then just some extra. And I love this for the Hello Kitty because of the ruffle, and just because of the really small and delicate little pink flowers. It's perfect for a Hello Kitty journal, so I've added that to this kit. All right, let's get started. Here's some more Hello Kitty sparkly like pieces of tulle. It's not tulle, it's tulle, if you will. So some tulle in here. So that would be pretty. And then I'm going to save this for last because this is the piece. What's in this bag is the piece de resistance, or however you say that. But stick around. You're going to want to see what's in this bag. I promise. And Gracie's getting into another bag right now. Okay, so we have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of stuff, but let's start with these ribbons. These ribbons are all Hello Kitty ribbons. They're brand new. They have not been opened. It's kind of hard to see on there, but oh, there it is. They see the Hello Kitty? Isn't that cute? And these are Hello Kitty ribbons with little rainbows and butterflies and flowers and whatnot. These are the cutest little Hello Kitty ribbons in the world. Super cute, brand new, have not been opened. So Hello Kitty. And then these are, what is this one? This one, I don't know if this is Hello Kitty. Oh, they're just little purple and little bows. But is there a Hello Kitty on there? I don't see a Hello Kitty. But they're bows. They're all bows. What is that? I can't tell if that's a Hello Kitty or not, but I think it's just the pink bow, so that's okay. And then another pink bow. You'll have to have that. And then some Hello Kitty playing cards. They're all in here. Now, if you're going to junk journal, you need playing cards, right? You've got to have, looks like there's 2 different kinds here. Oh, no. Oh, look at that. So you can use them both ways. So cute. Super cute little Hello Kitty playing cards to make your journaling cards with. So there's that. This is a packed kit, you guys. If you're interested in Hello Kitty, if you know anybody who loves Hello Kitty, young or old, you're going to want this kit because I've been collecting this stuff forever. So here's just some pink paint samples that you can get more of at the store. So don't forget about that for your Hello Kitty. Here's some Hello Kitty, brand new Hello Kitty party. And this is by Sanrio. Now you guys remember that name Sanrio because that is the manufacturer of Hello Kitty. Okay, these are licensed things from Hello Kitty, and you're gonna find more of the Sanrio later. So this is not just knockoff Hello Kitty stuff. Some of this stuff that I'm showing you is, some of the stuff isn't. I don't know if this is a Sanrio or not. Yes, it is. This is a Sanrio as well. So it's licensed through Sanrio. Okay, now this, let's get into some of the paper stuff, is just a Hello Kitty. Now this has seen better days. It's a little beat up, but it's a little kitty box. And I just thought it was cute. And in the box is a Hello Kitty paper with a Hello Kitty and sign down on the bottom. And hello, so these would be great for some of your pages. And then a Hello Kitty pin. Isn't that cute? And again, let's check and see if this is Sanrio. And it is. This is Sanrio. So there's that. Then we have Hello Kitty bingo cards. Now, when you're looking at this, don't just look at the stuff that's in the box, like these cool bingo cards, because these would be really cool to make like journaling plates on. You know how you can like go over this and then you use this to stick under your page when you're journaling to have a hard spot. There's a Hello Kitty die. I don't know what you would do with these. Maybe you could, glue them and use them as tags. I'm not sure, but there's quite a few of these bingo cards. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these bingo cards. Okay, what I was going to say is don't just look what's in the box. Look at the box itself. Like this is a darling little Hello Kitty. This is a Hello Kitty. And so remember to use everything that you can. Like this is a cute little strip. I mean, You know, so the word Hello Kitty right here, you know, you can take that off and use that in your work, you know. I wish I could have gotten around to it, but I never did. This is a Hello Kitty paint with water. Again, this is Sanrio, so this is a licensed product from Hello Kitty. So these are original Hello Kitty um, papers. This can go inside your journal. Isn't this cute? There's blank on one side and you know, oh my God. I used to love these when I was a kid. I'm tempted to keep this, you guys, but I won't. Because it's got to go in. It's got to go. Oh my God, is that not the cutest? Let's dance, she says. Let's fly a plane. So cute. Then we have 2 Hello Kitty folders here that can be cut and used for cover or whatever. Again, this is a Sanrio. That is so cute, little Hello Kitties. And you can copy those on your, scan those and make them smaller. And the same with this. It's a Hello Kitty bag. It's got some sparkles on it. Isn't that pretty? So there's your Hello Kitty bag. Super cute. One side has sparkles, the other one doesn't. And then we have a Hello Kitty color book. So this one is Sanrio. And this one, does this have a date on it? 2004. Oh, look at, there's a little paper doll on the back. Isn't that cute? So you can get some stuff up there for your journal. And then some Hello Kitty book covers that you can use any way you want to use them. Again, you can use those as journal plates, or you can actually cut these and make little kits out of these. Okay, I would do that. You could cut this off, put, you know, poke holes in it or whatever. Put some of this fabric around it, would look adorable around this, like that. And then make just like you do the little golden books. So you can make a couple of little these as your covers if you'd like. Okay. Okay. So let me put these right here. Look at this. This is a huge stack, but let me show you what's in here. This is the best. Somebody sent me this. I don't know who it was. I'm really sorry that it made it into this kit, but it is Hello Kitty-ish, and it has to go in this kit. It just has to. So I apologize if you're going to be mad at me, but I have to put it in this kit because it just belongs in this kit. So there's a little Hello Kitty dangle right here. And then we have a little Hello Kitty bead right here. It's got a little hole through it, so you can use that as a charm. It's not a bead, it's a charm. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's got little whiskers. Isn't that cute, the little whiskers? That is so stinking cute. Then, got a little pink bow that is adorable. You can put that anywhere on your book. So cute, little pink bow. I just thought it was adorable to go in there. Then, you guys. A little Hello Kitty. It's not really a Hello Kitty, but it is a kitty pin. Isn't that cute? Or a little charm. Let me see, does this back work? Okay, so this one looks like it might be broken, but that's okay. I would just string something through it because you can see through it, see? And use it as a charm. That's what I would do. If I was to make this journal, I would definitely do that. Some little buttons. I still haven't got to the piece that I'm going to put that over here so you can't see it because you're going to just die when you see this thing and this thing. 2 of the coolest things in the world. Okay, so then we have, what do we have here? We have a little, a Hello Kitty. It looks like it's gold right here. This looks like it's gold. And this is a Sanrio from '07. Okay, so that's a gold charm with little Hello Kitty gold charm. A couple of little kitties right here. Just little black and white kitties are little buttons. So aren't those cute? Those will go. And then another little kitty charm right here. It's not a Hello Kitty, but it is a little kitty. Isn't that cute? So there's that. Okay, but here is the big deal. Here are some actual Sanrio Hello Kitty charms, you guys. These are the deal. These are Hello Kitty charms. They are Sanrio. This says 2011. I don't know. These might be worth some money on Etsy, or not Etsy, but because people collect this stuff. People collect Hello Kitty stuff like crazy. But if you like this, wait till you see this. This is one big fat mambo jumbo. Let me show you. Like, here's a pencil. Look how thick this thing is. It's twice the size as a pencil. I mean, look at in my hand. It's huge. It's heavy. It's got all of the, there's none of the, and it's got a big diamond right there. None of the glass is missing, and it's super heavy. It's a huge charm. If it opens, I don't know how to open it. It looks like it's supposed to, but I don't know how, so I'm not going to. So, but there you go. There's the piece de resistance, the Hello Kitty necklace. I mean, but I would use that as a charm or just give it away to somebody, some little girl who has it in for Hello Kitty. This right here is gorgeous. I just love this thing. Can you see it? Am I giving it? See those sparkle? There we go. It's just so stinking cute. Look at that. It's just totally covered. It's just so beautiful. So that's in there. And then, of course, this Hello Kitty little purse that all of the doodads and whatnots are going to come in. Now, is this a Hello Kitty? No, this is not. This came with Build-A-Bear. So this is not a Sanrio. This is a Build-A-Bear. So, but we put all of the goodies in here. So if you are interested in this kit, please check out my Etsy shop. It's going to be there right now. So first come, first serve. I've only got one. Like I said, I've been saving this stuff for a year. Yeah, and it's going to come to you in this huge, big flat rate box. So I hope that you like this. I hope this is something you'll be interested in. Let me know. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.